can you see this picture? Can you see it? Class, do you see the air pollution? Can you see it?
Yes.
Okay. So now let's think about some solutions, and maybe we can also use the 3 R's to find a solution. So this one here is a coal power plant. So coal is that black rock that we use, and if we burn it, we can make electricity. And we all need electricity every day. We use it for the computer, and we use it for the lights, and we use it for cooking in the kitchen and so on. But this is one way that we can make electricity, is if we burn coal, it will make steam, and that used to generate electricity. But it makes a problem. It makes air pollution. So a lot of gases go into the air, and it makes the air dirty. It also leads to people with breathing problems because dirty air is not healthy. So who can tell me, how can we find a solution to this problem? Who has some ideas? What about if we don't use electricity? Do you think that's okay? Maybe we can just use candles? We don't need electricity? Do you think it's a good idea? No computers, no TV, no lights. Is it okay? What do you think, class? Do we need electricity? Yes or no? What do you think? So at the moment, if you do the online lesson, you need electricity because your computer uses electricity. And I think online lesson is important because now we cannot go to the school, so we have to do online lesson. So yes, we need electricity. But now the question is there another way we can also get electricity? So I think you've done energy in grade 3. Maybe it's a long time ago. But there are other ways to find electricity. So let's see. Let's use this one, for instance. Okay. So what about this one, class? Does this one make the air pollution? Yes or no? Does it make air pollution?
No.
That's it. Good. Okay. So there are another way you can make electricity. And I think maybe the coal power plant is not the good way to do it. So this one. Maybe it's not a good way to do it. Maybe you can find another way to make electricity. So one way is using this one, the solar panels. You can also use wind, and you can also use water, like the waterfall with a turbine, can also make electricity. And so I think if I have the test, maybe I will give you some small environmental problem. So normally, if you have the 3 R's, you can use the 3 R's to solve your problem. So let's see if we can use any of the 3 R's with this problem. So the first R is reduce, means to make less. And I think, yes, we can use it. So if we have less of this power plant and maybe use the sunlight and use the water, it will help with the air pollution. So the first R, yes, we can use it. And then we have reduce and reuse. So let's see, what's the other R? So we have here we go. And recycle. Okay, so recycle, I think you can't use it for coal. So recycle, no, that doesn't work. Reuse, yes, because you can use the coal to do something else. Like use the coal to make plastic or use the coal for something else, but don't burn the coal. And reduce, yes, we can use reduce. If we use less coal, don't burn the coal and just use another way to make power, like use the solar panels. That can help with the pollution problem. Okay, so class, whenever you have the problem of pollution, just try to use the 3 R's. And I'm sure maybe 1 or maybe 2 of the 3 R's, it can help you with the problems. And I think in your test, maybe I will give you some simple environmental problem. You can think about some idea or some way you can help the pollution or make the pollution better. Maybe I'll give you some options. You can just choose one option. Okay, so that's everything for pollution. There's also this part about social responsibility, but I think we can do that next time. Social responsibility, because I think not in this lesson. Let me just check quickly. Yeah, that was the video that we've done. But the video is okay. Yeah. Okay, class, and then when you study for the health, you just have to read your book. That's all you have to do. And I think maybe next week we can have a small test, but don't worry. For that test, you can use your book when you do the test. So actually you don't have to study now. Okay, class, do you have questions about this chapter about the environment and pollution? Do you want to ask some questions about it? Now, if we had more students, we can also do reading. But actually, I don't want to do that now because there are some students who are not in the class today because I started the class too late. So I think next time we can do some reading. But now I don't want to do the reading because we don't have a lot of students. And class, do you understand what you have to do for the science class? If you want to ask questions, you can ask me now. So I gave you 3 worksheets. You can just choose one. Maybe I'll share this quickly. Let's see. Okay, so some students already finished the worksheet last time. But there are some students who did not finish it. And so I give you 3 of these worksheets, 1, 2, 3. You can just choose one. If you like flower, you can do flower. If you like mothballs, you can do this one. Or if you like brown sugar, you can do this one. So please just do one and send it to me. That's your homework for science. But for health, you don't have homework. It's only for science. Okay, so please finish the worksheet and send to me, because some students, they don't have a score. If you have a score of 8 or 9, you are okay. If you have a score of 5 or 6, I think you can do it again. If you don't have a score, please do the worksheet and send it to me. I will give you until Tuesday. So please send it before next Tuesday. And I will also type it here on the line. So for homework, for P6 science, please before next Tuesday. Okay, so you have homework for science, but for health, you do not have homework. Okay, class, do you have any questions? No questions? Okay. Okay, class, we'll say goodbye and see you next week, Monday, actually. I'll see you on Monday. See you next time. Bye-bye.